back out at the sunroom install this morning with Jose and Charlie working on getting the post installed. Those concrete footers should definitely be secured by now. So this is the RPBZ that we use when we're securing our post to the footer. Tap cons is how we secure the plate into the concrete. And then the SD connectors made by Simpson is how we secure the plate into the 6x6. Code compliant, engineer approved.
We're preparing to install the post. We have to cut tail.
When we're adding an addition to the house, a lot of the times what we do is we cut the rafter tails off of the existing roofs. The reason why we do this is so that way we have a seamless wall that goes all the way up to the cathedral ceiling inside the porch. Makes it feel more like an interior room, which is kind of what you want. We always opt in for a better solution when it comes to the inside appeal of the porch that we're building. So removing the soffits and the fascia is one of the key elements in making this thing look beautiful. When we attach the porch wall frame to the existing house frame, we always cut out the siding and get to the sheathing of the house. That way it's making a good bond to the house. It's much better when you trim it out too. It looks like it was supposed to be there. The way we fasten our columns to the band of the porch frame is we use 6-inch timber lock lags. This is an engineered approved system. If you're building a covered porch, whether it's screened, enclosed with easy breeze or sun spaced windows, it's ideal to use engineered columns. Engineered columns are actually rated double the load capacity as a normal 6x6. All right, that's what I wanted to see. They looked amped up today. Hopefully gonna get some good work done on that roof and maybe put some sheeting on it. I don't know, I'm hopeful at this point, but
tried to hold you. Heaven knows all the times I pushed you away. I've loved you with every bone in my body. It's keeping me from the soul I wish I could save.
Got the L50s that you needed and the hurricane clips. Just want to make sure that our ridge isn't okay, because you know we need at least a certain amount of separation from. What does the plan say? The plan should say the pitch. Alright guys, glad I got here on time. Looks like the ridge was a little high, so we pulled out the plans and I just made sure that the guys were going to keep that ridge right at that 3-foot level above the header. So I had to swing back by because the breaker flipped on the guys. I guess they're using a little bit more amperage than the receptacle can handle. The homeowner gave me a key to the house because they're out of town. So just in case that this does happen, we can always get that thing flipped back on so the guys don't have to stop working. So by doing that, I'm gonna go check with the guys to see if it actually worked. All right, I hear the compressor working, so it sounds like the power's back on. That was fast, huh? Like lightning. I teleported here for you.
Oh, you better than Yeah, I disconnect the unit.
All right, we're at end of day and I'm here and it looks like the guys got a lot done. I'm very happy about today's progress.